You knew I was gonna wreck it.
Why not?
Cause it's a lot of money.
I have money. It's trust and character I need around me. And who you choose to be around you, lets you know who you are. One car in exchange for knowing what a man. That's a price I can live with. Look at all those people down there. They follow the rules for what? They're letting fear lead them.
What happens if I don't?
Life's simple. You make choices and you don't look back.